channel. My name is Ishika and I am back with the part 2 of the Splitsvilla outfits that are worn by the girl contestant. All the outfits today are of course from New Me, but there's one outfit that is from Myntra. एंड आप सभी ने मेरे पिछले स्प्लिट्सविला सीजन 15 के आउटफिट्स वाले वीडियो को बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार दिया ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम, ऑन माई यूट्यूब बोथ. सो हियर आई एम बैक विद द पार्ट 2 ऑफ दिस सेम वीडियो. एंड आप सभी लोग मेरे वीडियोस को देखते तो हो लेकिन सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते हो, ये बहुत बुरी बात है. तो इस बार आप लोग ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करके जाइएगा, क्योंकि अगर मैं इतनी मेहनत करती हूँ तो मैं भी तो एक सब्सक्राइब तो डिजर्व करती ही हो, राइट? सो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. एंड या विदाउट एनी मोर फर्दर एडू नाउ let's start the video. Look, all the outfits that I am going to be showing today are not necessarily worn by the contestant on Splitsvilla. बाहर बहुत सारे इवेंट्स हुए लाइक पॉडकास्ट, उन्होंने रील्स बनाया था, वो सब जगह से मैंने देख के एक एक आउटफिट्स मैंने सेलेक्ट किया है. एंड मुझे बहुत सारे डीएम्स एंड कमेंट्स आए थे पिछले कुछ दिनों में. एंड डीएम्स का तो जैसे एकदम बाहर ही आ गया था कि मुझे ये आउटफिट चाहिए, मुझे वो आउटफिट चाहिए. सो मैंने आपके भी सजेशंस को ध्यान में रखते हुए मैंने चीज़ें मंगवाई. So let's see the first product now. So this is the first dress and this is a very beautiful floral sleeveless dress, and this dress was worn by Rushali on the day Shivet was dumped by Akriti, and the dress is so beautiful. My only concern with New Me is that some of the clothes of their brand are really see-through and that is the only thing. जब मैंने पहली बार इस कपड़े को देखा ना, मैंने सोचा कि इसे रुशाली ने 2 बार क्यों पहना, एक तो डोम सेशन में एंड दूसरा श्रेया काला के पॉडकास्ट में. लेकिन जब मैंने इसको पहन के देखा ना, ओ माय गॉड, दिस ड्रेस वाज लुकिंग सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड जस्ट लाइक ए बॉम्ब. दिस dress is of course little see-through. Let me show you. Like you can see it's completely see-through, but if you wear a good quality nude color undergarments underneath, it will just look beautiful because it doesn't peek in the nude color, of course, right? Now talking about this dress, it has these straps. The straps are a little too wrong. This dress has a lacing going on in the front section. Overall is super good quality and very beautiful looking dress. I ordered it in the size S for your reference. If you are like me, you can definitely go for the S size. And yes, all the links are mentioned in the description box below. Okay, do check it out. The material is polyester and it has a slit in the bottom so that you can walk freely, because this dress is a bodycon dress. This is all about this dress. Now coming to the price of this dress, it retails for 1349 and I obviously got certain discounts, so I'll be mentioning the prices in the screen, so just check it out. Now let's move on to the next dress. This is so pretty, guys. I'm so in love with this dress. So this outfit was worn by Kashish in the dome session in which Digvijay and Unnati became the idol match. See, I also don't like Kashish after watching the finale stunt what she did to Digvijay. मुझे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं आया, लेकिन अभी आउटफिट पसंद है तो लाना तो पड़ेगा, राइट? सो ये वाला जो ड्रेस है ये बहुत ज़्यादा प्रिटी एक ड्रेस है. This is in the color red. It is a proper red, but it doesn't look that odd, okay, when you wear it. It is a very beautiful shade of red and I love this dress overall. This dress has full length sleeves and this is a sheer net dress. As you can see, this section of the dress is completely see-through and this makes the dress super stylish and attractive. I do love this dress a lot. It has got a beautiful shiny kind of a material in this border. As you can see over here, it is totally sheer as I have mentioned, and here the cloth is super heavy and good quality cloth. It is not at all see-through like the previous one. As you can see, it is totally good quality dress, and many of you might have a doubt that what you can wear inside it. So answering your question, you can wear just normal boob tape or stick-on bras. I hope I have answered this particular query. And talking about the length of this dress, it is knee length dress and it has a slit in the back. Talking about the back side of this dress, it has a button over here in the back and there is a long gap, and then there is a zip going on till the down, not fully down, till up till here. So the zip also is of super good quality, and you can definitely invest in this dress if you are looking for a party dress. It is super good, and I really love this particular dress out of all the dresses. Now talking about the price of this dress, it retails for 1549 and the material is polyester again. So let's move on to the next up. Okay, so talking about the next dress, this is the dress that I am wearing currently, and this was worn by Unnati. Like, I have seen on her Instagram feed that they had a friends meetup, so she wore this particular outfit, and even in one podcast or interview I saw her wearing this particular outfit. And this is also from New Me. This is the lace slip dress. It retails for 1229, and I just love how this dress looks. You can see on the try on that this dress has a very high slit situation. So this dress, I just love how the lace detailing looks like. One of the side is just normal spaghetti straps, and one of the side has a proper lace detailing, and even the dress is proper lacy, and it looks super beautiful. The color of the dress is beige and the lace detailing is black, so it complements each other so properly, black and beige. It looks super pretty, and I just instantly fell in love with the outfit when I saw Unnati wearing this outfit, and I knew that this particular dress is from New Me, so I didn't waste it any time and just got this dress ASAP. And yeah, this is how the dress is looking on me. I just love how this dress is feeling, and the material is a polyester blend again. More about this dress is that I saw even Kylie Jenner wearing the same outfit, and I'm not comparing myself to her, okay, just letting you know that who wore what. So I just love this dress, okay. And now moving on to the next dress. Okay, this is done for this dress. Okay, so the next dress is this, and I took certain time to figure out how to wear this dress only, okay. I saw Akriti in one of her reels that she wore this particular dress recently only. You can just go and check her Insta feed. You can get this dress. So I'll even provide the picture, okay, the pop-up pictures. So this is how the dress looks like. Oh my god, this is not at all my comfort zone. Like, I can wear this kind of a dress, I can wear this dress. It is also a very deep cutout dress, as you have seen, but this is a little too much, I guess, for me. It's looking damn pretty on Akriti, okay, but on me, I cannot wear this dress. I will show you this dress putting a tube inside, so you can get an idea how to wear this dress. And overall this dress looks very beautiful, okay. The quality of this dress is also super nice. Like, you can see in inside of the cloth, it has a very beautiful satin material. It has a zip on the back, and if you close this zip, this is like the skirt part, and the back side of the dress is backless completely. It is like certain strappy things, of course, and in the front section it is joining in such a way. Oh my god, I'll just provide the try on for you guys so that you can understand how this dress is worn, okay. The price of this dress is 2089, and it is very beautiful looking dress, yet not comfortable at all. So if you want, you can give it a try if you are comfortable, okay. But I am definitely going to return this dress because it is not my type of a dress, and I'm not at all comfortable wearing this dress. I just got this dress because many people asked for this dress link also, so that is the reason I got this dress. And now moving on to the next dress. Okay, so this is a very beautiful white color dress. See, properly all the dresses are only visible on the try on. Recently, Akriti wore a white color bodycon mini dress which had a humongous rose on the front. So many people, like more than 10-15 DMs were like, I want the white color rose dress, I want the white color rose dress. I didn't got that dress, okay. First of all, let me clear that dress, I searched many websites but it was not available. I don't know from where she got that dress, but I got similar kind of a dress. It is not exactly same, but you can work with it. This is a halter neck dress, and this also has a very beautiful rose detailing here, and this dress looks super pretty, okay. This rose just changes the game for this dress. I just love, and it is in white color like the one Akriti wore. It is definitely not a mini dress, it is a long dress. So talking about this dress, this is a very beautiful white color dress, and in the bottom, like you can see, just hold on, yeah, this is the slit as you can see, and on both of the sides of the slit there are ruffle kind of a design, and even on the bottom section there are ruffle kind of design. You definitely have to wear boob tape because the material is little see-through, but you can work with it. If you wear a boob tape, it will not be visible at all. The back side, if you can see, there is an elastic thingy here, and it is a normal solid white color dress and it looks super pretty. It is a halter neck dress, and I don't know why, but Numi didn't provide me the strap for this dress, because I have seen the review section, they provide the strappy thing also which you have to put in your neck, but Numi didn't provide me with that, and I don't know what Numi expects me to wear this dress as it is, because it is definitely not going to fit here, right? So what I did for putting this dress is that I've just put a white color shoelace, a new shoelace, clean shoelace. So I just put it here and just tied it around my neck, and it just looks so pretty. It didn't even look like a shoelace, okay? It looked like it came with this dress itself. But yeah, my luck was bad, but your luck will definitely not be, because I've seen in the review section it was properly sent to everybody. I don't know, I was very unlucky, I guess, so it was sent like this. Overall, this dress looks super pretty, guys. You can definitely give it a try, and if you are looking for the white color dress that Akriti has worn, this is the closest dupe, and I would highly suggest this dress also. Now talking about the price, it is 1359, and this dress is in the material cotton, so it is super comfortable for this summer season. And yeah, now let's move on to the next dress. So this is the next outfit. It is not a dress, it is a top, and this top particularly is trending. I've seen this particular top so many times and I was so obsessed with this top. I had to get this one, and recently I saw Unnati wearing this particular top in one of their friends outing, and yeah, this top looks so beautiful. It is a multicolored top. You see this long scarf kind of a thing, you just have to wear it around your neck like this. You can just see the try on, no? So this top feels so good quality. And yes, I forgot to mention all the dresses are in the size S, okay? I just completely forgot about that. I ordered this top also in the size S, and it looks super pretty. Now coming to the price point of this top, this is for 939 rupees. It is expensive, I would definitely say that, but it is definitely worth it because the quality is super good. The dress, the top, I mean, when you wear it, it looks super pretty, guys, with a denim skirt or denim shorts or denim, long denim as normal. It will look super good. So yeah, this top is a must-have from my side. And yeah, now let's move on to the next dress. Okay, so this is the next outfit, and this was worn by Anika in one of the recent event which happened recently, just recently. I would pop up the picture of Anika wearing this particular outfit. So talking about this outfit, this is super good quality. It is, I guess, cotton, okay? It has this stitching, as you can see here. It is this kind of a stitching over in the hands, and it looks so good. Like, this pattern just flows in the dress, okay? You can see this kind of a stitching going on all over the dress, like as you can see here in the sides of this dress. This dress is in the color light sea green, I guess. I'm not sure, it is written light green in the website, but it is a sea green color, okay? So don't get confused from the website. So this is a long maxi dress, as you can see. It has a slit in the side, and this dress fits like a glove. There's no lining, this dress, but it is not super sheer, so you are good to go. Love this outfit when Anika wore it, and I just wanted to get this one, and I got it in Numi. So yeah, I got even this one. You can give it a try. This retails for 1198. So with this dress, we come to the end of Numi dresses. Now here is this dress that was worn by Unnati. I got it from Myntra. This section is actually the back section of the dress, and you will wear it like a jacket, like this. And here, this strap things you are seeing, right? This is the tie-on detailing that you have to do in the front section. So you just need to do is take both of this thing and just tie it like this. However you want, you can see in the try-on for more details. So this particular dress was worn by Unnati in the episode Chai Pe Charcha, and many people even asked for this dress. That's the reason I got this dress. This is a very beautiful pink color dress. It has different shades of pink, like overall the color is baby pink, but you can see there is different kinds of pink. I don't know the color of every kind of pink. Okay, so this is how the dress is looking. The material is polyester, by the way. I forgot the price of this dress. It was somewhere between 650 to 700. So yeah, and this is how this dress is looking. It is a mini dress, and you can wear this dress in like normal tie-up style, or you can just take both of this side and put a safety pin in the back side, so that will be more comfortable than tying up the dress. This dress also was looking super good on Unnati, and many people asked for this link, so that's why I got it. And here we come to the end of Myntra dresses. I completely forgot that I had one particular dress that was worn by Kashish in the Splitsvilla episode itself. That dress I got for my birthday this year only. I got it from Urbanic, but now it is available in Savannah also. So I'll show you the dress right now. So this is the dress, and I don't remember which episode she wore it. It was worn by Kashish, by the way. Talking about this dress, this is a very beautiful dark blue color dress that Kashish wore, and I had the same dress, so what better than that, no? So you can see this dress has a little cutout sections. So here you can see it has a V kind of a design here, and here you have metals inside, so it is like stiff, this section. And in the downside also there is a cutout section here. So this dress looks super pretty. Okay, I just love this dress. When I wore on my birthday, I was like flaunting. I just love how this dress looks. If I need to be precise, this dress is kind of giving me mermaid vibes. Let me show you guys in detail. So this is how the sleeves is looking. It is normal net detailing sleeves. You have a very good quality zip going on till the mid of the dress, and the dress is super soft quality. It is totally net kind of a dress. You have a lining inside, and this dress is totally stitched kind of a pattern. Like, I cannot explain how this dress is looking. You just have to see the try on to understand this dress. And in the bottom section of this dress, you can see there are steps of ruffles going on, and this particular section of this dress gives it a mermaid kind of a style, because this dress overall is bodycon, and in the bottom section it just flares out. And I am saying you, it looks super good. And even Sakshi and Justine had a special entry on Splitsvilla. She also wore the same outfit, by the way, and I was like, wow. I have this dress from like even before Splitsvilla. My birthday is on March, so I got it way back then Splitsvilla even started. So this is how this dress looks like. I don't remember the price. I guess when I purchased this dress it was for like around 4,000. Now currently at what price Savannah is selling this dress, I have no idea about. I'll just provide the link of this dress also in the description box below, so do not forget to check the description box. This dress has various colors available. I'm not sure that you will get the dark blue available or not, because it is highly demand color, but there are many more color options for you, so you can choose from them as well. So now we come to the end of the video, and I know Splitsvilla is already over, but the clothes that are worn by the contestant in and outside the show are in super demand, and that's why I brought the part 2 of the Splitsvilla outfits, so that you don't have to search like me. And all the outfit links are mentioned in the description box below, so do check the description box out. And yes, if you enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to subscribe, like this video, comment in my video, and share this video with your friends who are interested in this kind of video. And yes, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Till then, bye bye.